So using the topography data, as you can see, the detected terrain here is hills and ridges, but the MH is equal to 1.0 since the location of the structure is outside this zone. Also, since the points here are not that great and I want to refine or update the location of these points, I will just need to click this peak, edit peak location by clicking a point on the terrain data button. So when I click that one, left click, and then I will just select the points here on the terrain. So it will move the peak button there. Also, same case for the upwind foot. If you select, for example, here, or maybe here, you can see that the data here are updated when I click that one. Since based on the calculation, the L1 and L2 values here are 355 meters. So the distance of X is 580. It is already outside the local topographic zone, and the hill shape multiplier will be already equal to 1.0. Same case if, for example, um, on the other direction, I can just update it like here, the upwind foot. Since the L2 upwind is 726, and then the X is 1,120 meters. It is outside of the topographic zone. So MH is equal to 1. Another case, I'll move the peak here, and I'll move upwind foot maybe here. So since it's already inside the topographic zone, it will be already have an effect on the MH. For most cases, definitely, if the structure outside the local topographic zone, it will have MH 1.0. So using the graph, it will be easy for you to just select and update the data points, and it will automatically be calculated here on the parameter and value. Here are the data, so you can double check it with the formula, and also you can see these values in the detailed report once you have a look on, or once you generated the loads. So when I generate the loads, I can see that for the selected wind source direction, here are the values for the image. Yeah, this one. MH is 1.026.